We just bought this mini E-Revo for 30 bucks. So let's get to ripping. All right, let's full send this thing right off the rip.
Just that easy. Back to ripping it.
Now, as you saw, it has a bash bar type thing. I don't really know what the actual part's called. Really? Come on, Alex. Who do we think we are? It's got a little bash bar on it. And RPM, front arms, front and rear, all around. Oops, wheelie bar came undone again. Throw that in the top mode. Oh, there we go. Pretty cool. I bet
I can hit a backflip off that.
Let's try it. But believe it or not, it didn't really need anything. The guy was just done with it, and 30 bucks was enough. So as I said, it was just the right place and the right time scenario. Golden opportunity. Ooh, that was close. Let's give it another try. Yeah. Pretty cool car. Let's see how we could drift it.
Or flip it.
Or flip it. Let's see how we could drift it or flip it on this ramp. I would argue this car has pretty much the perfect amount of power on 2S, which is what we're running it on right now. There we go, nice. Pretty cool drifts, that's what we like to see. That wheelie bar's down again. Let's grab it.
I don't know, dude. We gotta get the mini crate in, dude.
If you guys think we should get a mini crate in, comment down below. I know they've been going absolutely crazy right now. And if this video gets enough views, we'll have to think about it, for sure. Now, our E-Revo has, I believe those are, oh, it also has suspension upgrades on it. We also added a little skid plate on the roof from, I believe, a Mini Max. That's what was recommended to us. And it fits pretty good. E-Revo almost got body. Yeah, that's a diff, I think. Here, drive it. I don't hear it anymore. Pretty cool to probably just pop up though. It definitely has power, that's for sure. It's running on a 2S battery. Now it is doing it. Alright, we're gonna look into this, see what's messed up, and then we'll get back to it.
Like a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
That clip is cut. Also, the one other issue, we don't have the bottom to our remote, which I don't think Traxxas makes it anymore. The good news is we have a friend with a 3D printer and we have a second TQ remote, so maybe we'll get one printed. As you can see, here's some of the upgraded suspensions. There's some metal links, which are different than what our other E-Revo used to have. And yes, it is brushless, as you can see, which is really nice. I'm wondering if one of these wires are hitting the drive shaft or one of the suspension parts, so I wrapped it up underneath the motor wires. So we'll see if that fixes our problem. All right, let's test it out. It is still doing it. Let's put the mic on the car. You guys can hear it, and I'm not exactly sure what it is. I'm thinking it's probably the diffs, but we'll see. If you know, let me know, please. That would help out a ton. Now I know that you guys couldn't hear the three of us, but we are thinking that it has to be the diff. The sound only happens when we're giving it a lot of juice. So we'll go home, take that apart. And because of that, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for a 10,000 subscriber journey.
Once again.